Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the RSP TrueFit grass-fed lean meal replacement protein shake, all natural whey protein powder with fiber, probiotics, non-GMO, gluten-free, no artificial sweeteners, 2.0 pounds choke. Packaging may vary. Not to be too discreet, but this was one of the only protein powders that didn't make me have gas. Then cinnamon churro is my morning meal, blended with a 1/2 cup of cold espresso, small amount of almond milk, ice and a half of banana is delish. This product is great. The chocolate is amazing and rich in flavor, very fine and easily dissolves in a blender bottle. The aftertaste is not as horrible as other protein powders. It's not pleasant, but it is not by any means nasty. It also helps keep my hunger satisfied, allowing me to eat fewer calories throughout the day and adhere to my diet. Love the product. Lost over 40 pounds in a month and a half with 2 shakes a day, healthy snacks and exercise. After surgery my weight was going up due to medication, my hair was falling alarming rate and my nails were splitting. After having gastric bypass surgery, it is very hard for me to find a protein powder that does not upset my stomach. This is my new meal on the go, and it has also helped me take off some pounds by replacing it with one meal a day. It keeps me full for at least 3 hours, works well with an addition of peanut butter and a slight hint of chocolate. The protein not only has ingredients no other protein has and a price that makes it affordable to all, but it tastes absolutely great. It also provides plenty of energy for intense afternoon workouts without being so dense that it feels like it is going to come up in the middle of those workouts. Not only is it high quality whey protein, but it gives you a kick of fiber, probiotics, antioxidants and micronutrients. This thickens up the drink into a smoothie-like consistency, tastes great and is perfect after a gym workout or a run. If you look at other protein shakes, they are lacking many macro and micronutrients that your body needs to survive. If you on-the-go store each scoop in a Ziploc snack bag, mix it with cold water and you have a meal. The scoop was buried when it arrived, but all you have to do is shake the bottle around to uncover it. This product is great tasting with no funny aftertaste, kept me full for at least a few hours, and the staff is wonderful to talk to. Highly recommend this. It's not gritty like a lot of shakes can be and really tastes like the milk left over from your Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. Love the ingredients and love the taste. It's hard finding the perfect meal replacement shakes that taste good, curb your appetite and don't have a bunch of junk in it. It was so tasty, and it's hard to believe it has fiber and probiotics too. There are no artificial sweeteners. Many products had sucralose, but it has its own natural sweetness. It keeps me full for a few hours and it doesn't give me that weird feeling like some protein powders do. This product is a great quality, and unlike the energy-packed whey proteins out there, the product is for meal replacement and it does the job well. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.